I am ready for school. I am ready for school. Good morning, my friend. Good morning, my friend. That was funny. I know, right?
I open my notebook. I open my notebook.
I read a new book. I read a new book.
This food is very good.
Yeah, it really is.
I agree, it's great. This food is very good.
I know the answer. Yes, please tell us. I know the answer. Wonderful. Go ahead.
Let's play soccer together.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's play soccer together. I'm open. Pass it here.
Great job, team.
I paint a colorful tree. I paint a colorful tree.
I use the computer. I use the computer.
I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus.
I solve the math problem. I solve the math problem.
We exercise every day. We exercise every day.
I am late for class. I am late for class.
I practice English today. I practice English today.
I feel very tired. I feel very tired.
You can use my pencil. Thanks. You can use my pencil. Okay, thanks.
Where is my book? Where is my book? Where is my book?
I want some apple juice.
Sure, here you go.
I want some apple juice.
You got it. Today we are discussing global warming.
The teacher is speaking.
It affects weather patterns worldwide.
The teacher is speaking.
The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful.
I draw a big house.
Wow, it's so pretty!
Cool. I like the colors. I draw a big house.
Yay! You're a good artist!
I clean my desk. I clean my desk.
My shoes are new. My shoes are new.
This game is fun. This game is fun.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need help with?
Can you help me? Yes, go ahead. I like my school. I like my school.
These books are heavy. These books are heavy.
See you after school. See you after school.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, see you.
See you tomorrow.